In this video, I'll show you how to deploy a V0 project to Vercel. First, open your web browser and sign in to both your V0 and Vercel accounts. Make sure your V0 project is complete and ready to be deployed. Next, connect your V0 project to GitHub if you haven't already. Export or sync your project to a GitHub repository so Vercel can access your code. Now, open Vercel and click Add New, then select Project. Choose the GitHub repository that contains your V0 project and click Import. Vercel will automatically detect that it's a Next.js project and configure the default build settings. After that, review the project settings and add any required environment variables if your application uses APIs or external services. Once everything looks correct, click Deploy and wait while Vercel builds and publishes your application. Finally, when the deployment is complete, Vercel will provide a public URL for your project. Open the URL in your web browser to test your live application. Whenever you push new changes to your GitHub repository, Vercel can automatically deploy the updated version of your app. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to deploy a V0 project to Vercel. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.